I wonder, should I go or should I stay? The band has only one more song to play. And then I saw you out the corner of my eye, a little girl alone, so shy. I heard the last words with you, two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last words should last forever, but the love we had was going strong. Through the good and bad we get along. And then the flame of love died in your eyes. My heart broke in two when you said goodbye. I heard the last words with you, two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last words should last forever. La 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 la. It's over now, nothing left to say, just my tears and the orchestra playing. La 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 la. I heard the last words with you, two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last words should last forever. La 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 la. Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left the seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow street of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my color to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of neon light that split the night, touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Foot said you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I may reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the signs flashed out warning in the words that it was forming, and the signs said the words of prophet written on the subway walls, tenement halls, whispered in the sound of silence.